Hey Marcus, what's up?
What's up?
What you got there, buddy?
Nope.
That is a backyard ladder toss. I guess it has to do with throwing stuff. So these are some of the games that you can do at home over the summer. So this one is made by Great Outdoor Games. Traditional summer games. Interesting. So I guess it's a ladder that you throw these things at, and you gotta, I guess, twist around it, the little bars here, to score, I guess. We never played this game, have we?
Nope.
So this should be interesting. Alright, well, let's open it up, Marky, and see. So it looks like we're gonna have to build all that. Ooh, there's the tossy balls. Oh, they're actually plastic with some beads in them or something. Okay, there goes our parts. So basically it looks like we just kind of clip it all together. There's definitely some assembly required. Was there any instructions?
No.
I guess you don't need instructions, just look at the picture. So there's no instructions, but obviously it's common sense. Just look at this picture, Marky, and build it. Alright, Marcus is untying the little throwy ball things, and we have our ladder built, and isn't it beautiful? So we gotta set it up somewhere around here. How's it going over here, bro?
Kinda good.
Having trouble untying that stuff?
Not so much trouble.
Alright, so Marcus is gonna be the first one to try to throw that thing. We don't even know how to throw it. Go ahead, Marky, shoot it. Oh, and he misses. Try again. Oh no. Here he goes. Dear, dear, dear. All right, attempt number 2. Whoa, Marcus, you got 2? That's cool, dude. I haven't even got 2. Can I try? Woohoo! Дай 5. Alright, so Marky wants a challenge. He says whoever hangs the most wins, yeah? In 3 shots. So basically we're going to go one after the other. You're first. Now that we had enough practice, we should be able to do it, right, Marky? Get a little closer. I think you're too far. Alright, go for it, bro. Oh, he got one. He's going to beat me. I can feel it. Look at him over there practicing. Oh, no way, dude. I can't believe it. You got 2. Oh, he's got 2. It's my turn. I gotta get at least one to tie it. Yes, that counts. We tied, so that means that you have to go again.
Yep.
Alright, so we tied the last round. Marcus is going for the next shot. Go, Marky boy. Oh, he misses. He's got 2 more shots to prove himself. And he misses another one. Oh boy. This is a good chance for us to win. He misses all 3 of them. Oh no, failure.
One.
I still got 1. So who's the champion? Who's the champion?
No, you're supposed to go all the way 3.
No, bro. I got 1, so I won.
No, you're supposed to go all 3.
But I got 1 and you got 0.
No, you're supposed to get all 3. You didn't get all 3.
Oh, is that the new challenge?
Yeah. That was
All
the
right, whoever
challenge.
gets all 3 wins. New challenge. I thought we were playing whoever gets the most. I think he's just changing the game on me, guys, so I can play.
No.
All right, he's shooting for the 3. So if you miss 1, you're done, right? Go. Okay, he's done. All right, guys, it's my turn now, and I will get the first one. Oh, whoa, I wrapped that thing so good, dude. Did you see that? That was crazy. All right, next one, guys, next one. Oh, no. All right, I can feel it that Marcus is gonna beat me now. Well, let's go, Marky. Oh, and he gets his first one. Let's see if he can do his second one. Oh, and a second one. Look, right beside each other. Marcus, what in the world, dude? How you doing this? All right, his last shot. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Yes, he did it. He won, guys. He won. He's the champion. Give me 5, champion. You did it. You beat the game. So yeah, guys, this is a really pretty fun game for backyard outdoors. So Marcus, what do you think? Is this a fun game? Alright, guys, so I guess that'll be it for this video. If you want to get one of these backyard ladder toss games, there'll be a link in the description. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our other videos that we have. And if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to see more. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.